Welcome to the IELTS Secrets podcast, where we unravel the mysteries of the IELTS exam to help you achieve your desired scores. I'm your host, Neil, an English instructor from New Zealand dedicated to assisting students in maximizing their speaking and writing scores. Today, we're diving into the speaking section, specifically focusing on describing your job or studies. This topic is crucial for the exam, and using speaking templates can significantly enhance your responses. Let's explore 4 questions and the importance of using these templates. Question 1. Tell me about the job or studies that you are doing. Using a speaking template can help you structure your response effectively. Here is the template. I have been studying, and then your field of study, for, and then you should indicate duration. I'm genuinely passionate about, and then indicate your field, because, and then some reasons. I hope to be able to, and then talk about future goals. Now, let's listen to a Band 9 response where the speaker will use the same template when answering the same question.
Tell me about the job or studies that you are doing.
I have been studying computer science for 3 years. I am passionate about technology because I enjoy solving problems and creating innovative solutions. I hope to pursue a career as a software developer and contribute to advancements in the industry.
By following this template, you can provide a clear and coherent response, showcasing your language proficiency. Now let's analyze question 2. Why did you choose this field? This question requires you to articulate your motivations clearly. Here is the speaking template. I've always been interested in, and then indicate your field. For example, I used to, and then here you should show related activity in my childhood. In addition, and then here you should provide one more reason. Now, let's listen to a Band 9 response where the speaker will use the same template when answering the same question.
Why did you choose this field?
I have always been interested in environmental science. For example, I used to explore nature reserves and learn about ecosystems in my childhood. In addition, I also believe that protecting the environment is crucial for the future of our planet.
This template allows you to express your interest in the field and provide relevant examples. Now let's analyze question 3. Do you think you will ever leave this job or study? Why or why not? This question assesses your flexibility and plans. Here is the speaking template. I don't think I'll ever do that because, however, if, then I'll have to. Now, let's listen to a Band 9 response where the speaker will use the same template when answering the same question.
Do you think you will ever leave this job or study?
I don't think I will ever leave my job because I am passionate about education and enjoy helping students learn. However, if I encounter unforeseen circumstances, I might consider exploring other opportunities.
Using this template allows you to demonstrate your commitment while acknowledging potential changes in the future. Dear IELTS candidates, practicing these templates can help you structure your responses effectively. Record your answers using the templates provided and submit them to our website for evaluation by an experienced IELTS instructor. They will provide valuable feedback and professional advice to help you maximize your speaking score. Thanks for tuning in to the IELTS Secrets podcast.